Welcome back to another vlog, another day, and another candy makeover. First up, the scene of the crime. Clearing the scene. Moving out the furniture, thank you, squirrel. And a little help from Miss Rising, we get the last of the pictures off the wall and some furniture moving from me. And I swear to you, with the number of bits and bobs under the bed, there may well have been another family living under there. And yes, that is a toilet roll thingamajiggy. Don't know how it got there. Comment below. And now to move the heavy stuff, which was awkward. Very awkward. But we did it. We meaning I. Little dance party just before we got going. Put us in the mood. Rising likes a little jig. And out with the old and in with the new. That's the mattress, by the way. And honestly, I didn't film the putting together of the bed because quite frankly, it was utter chaos. But when Mr. Phoenix got home from school, he put on the final touches. He was actually pretty good with the screwdriver, actually. And there we have it, a top bunk from IKEA. And by magic, the room is done. Toys are back in, soft furnishings, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Space under the bed to sit, lie, do whatever. Stick on some fairy lights and voila, we have got a finished kids room.